JPG file convert to PDF file without any software. Open my JPG file, select all file, right click, print, select Microsoft Print PDF, setting, click print, print, save, down, media, okay, yeah, file, save, ready my PDF file, check it. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.